Alright, so I got the bottom half pre-boxed in with this balsa I cut. My camera would focus. I guess. Weird. That might be better. And this folds over and it becomes a wing. This is the underside. Where the black mark is where the servo goes, and you can see the other one down there that's finished. That is the left wing, this is the right wing, right? Right. You see the score marks, that helps it bend. And this is just a 30-inch piece of foam board. I think it's 1/4 inch thick. Or, yeah. I got the ailerons already pre-beveled. I did that with the sanding block. So we're going to install the servo, flip it over, glue the wood to this side so it looks like a nice panel like that. And then this wing will be finished. Really simple. And run the servo wire out of this little corner here. And all I do with the servo is I just hot glue it in there. I'll show you after I get it cut out.